Hi everybody. Today we're going to make some fall leaf prints using real leaves and paint. Here are the supplies you will need today. You will need a cup of water, a paintbrush, a paper plate or palette for holding your paint. You will need some paint. I'm using tempera paint today and I'm using yellow, orange, and red. You will also need a brayer. This is for rolling the leaf onto the paper. You could also use a heavy book or just your hand. You will need some leaves. Make sure that they are safe to use and they are non-poisonous. You will also need some sheets of paper. All right, let's get started. You're going to need your paintbrush, your paint, your leaf, a cup of water. I like to use a wet brush, so I'm going to wet it, wiping the excess water on the edge of the cup. I'm going to take the leaf and I'm going to apply paint on the side where the veins of the leaf are raised. Okay, so I'm going to start with yellow. I'm going to get some orange. I'm going to have them kind of mix together a little bit. It's okay if you get paint on the table. Make sure you're painting somewhere where it's easy to clean up. A little more yellow up here. So you can use any of these three colors. We're going to make a couple prints. I'm going to put red on the bottom here. More orange paint. Clean my brush off a little bit. More orange paint up here. All right, and some red on the stem here. Now we're going to make a print. So I'm going to take the leaf that I just painted and I'm going to place it paint side down on the paper. Then I'm going to take another piece of paper and put it on top, like we're making a sandwich. And flatten that down. Now I'm going to take my brayer or roller and I'm going to roll on top of the paper, pressing the leaf into that bottom piece of paper. As you're rolling, make sure you cover all of the parts of the leaf. All right. Now you take the top piece off and you carefully pick up the leaf. And there we go, we have a print. Very colorful. You can see all of the veins of the leaf. All right, we still have a lot of paint on this leaf after making one print. So I'm going to make a second print using the same process. Okay, so I'm going to put it face down. I'm going to take a clean piece of paper and sandwich the leaf in between that. I'm going to take my roller and I'm going to roll right on top of the leaf and the paper, applying pressure and squishing it together. See how it looks. Oh, I like this one even more. Look at the difference between the two prints. The first one, we used a lot of paint, and the second one didn't have as much paint on the leaf, and I think it came out with a better print. It's not as colorful, but you can see all the details a lot better, all of the veins. So maybe on the next one, I'll use a little less paint. I hope you enjoyed making leaf prints with me today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.